Hey guys, this is Neil back with another video. In this video I'll be talking about Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. This tablet just launched by the Xiaomi, and with that they also launched the Xiaomi Mi 6 Pro smartphone. This smartphone does not have any sort of feature to include in the video. That's why I'm not doing a specific video about that smartphone. Internally Snapdragon 625. Only at the front side you are getting 18:9 display with the notch, the for only notch. You are buying that smartphone. It is the same smartphone and the price bracket around 10,000 Indian rupees. So that's why I am not doing that smartphone video. So let's talk about Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. So in this Mi Pad you are getting 8-inch Full HD Plus display, and which has the 16:10. It is not a normal display, because normal display has a 16:9 and it has the 16:10. Let's talk about the processor. So in the processor section we are getting Snapdragon 660, so which is the latest from the Snapdragon, so plus point for the Mi Pad. Let's talk about the RAM section. So in the RAM you are getting two variants, one is 3GB and second one is 4GB. In the internal storage you are getting 32 and 64GB, and you are not getting any sort of expandable storage, so which is a downgrade for the Mi Pad. Let's talk about the camera section. I know we are not using our tablet for our camera shooting, but this tablet includes 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. If you guys like to take a selfie, so this tablet is quite good enough to give you the selfie. Let's talk about the front camera more. So with the MIUI 10, Xiaomi gives us the face unlock feature in all the smartphones. So this Mi Pad is running MIUI 9, though it also has the face unlock features. Nowadays face unlock feature is the must needed thing in the smartphone after the iPhone 10. Let's talk about the battery section. So in the battery section you are getting 6000 mAh battery. I know battery is little bit low, but it will be good enough because the Xiaomi's MIUI customization, so they will give you some good amount of battery. Let's talk about our special thing in this Mi Pad. So in this Mi Pad you are getting LTE support, mean you can insert your nano SIM card and you can use it for the data, and if Xiaomi wants you to call from it, they will give you one OTA update and you are unable to call from your Mi Pad. Let's talk about the another thing, which is the Face ID. I talked about this previously. Let's talk about the price section, because in India price is the king of the smartphones or the tablet or any other market. So this tablet got a launch at CNY 1099 and CNY 1399 if you see the configuration, and if we convert it to the Indian rupees, it's around 11,500 rupees and 13,500 or 900 Indian rupees. I will try to give you all the price in the on the screen so you can get it there. So what's my thought about this thing? So guys, Snapdragon 660, it's a good choice, and they are providing a much bigger display in the 10,000 or 12,000 budget compared to their Xiaomi's Note 5 Pro. So it is a way more cheaper and gives lots of features. And if you guys want to buy a laptop but you can't afford it, so you can go for the Mi Pad. It will work like your laptop. You can buy some of the third-party keyboards and work like your laptop, so which is again a great option for you guys. And I know back to school and back to college time is coming, and it's time for make some videos about smartphones and laptops. I will try to make about it. So that's it from me, guys. What you think about this video, let me know in the comment section. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any type of suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.